Running a machine from inside of a machine. Run that little remote control robot inside our Takuchi skid steer. A little safer in here and a lot less dusty. So I'm gonna mount you right here and do a little time lapse. We're about to knock this big old chunk of stuff off of here. Alright, it's starting to look like something. We got pretty much the whole center all hammered out. And, this thing's still messing up, but I'm able to limp it through. A couple of the functions just ain't working properly. Gonna have to cut the slab off of these walls eventually. That's why we're not gonna clean it over to the walls yet. But yeah, a lot of rubble to remove, which is gonna be a whole job in itself, but yeah, we're getting there. Okay, this job's all finished up. Got all the concrete removed. Removed and all cleaned up. This is some random stuff that was here. Not too bad. It's a messy job, but cleaned up now. Pretty neat. They are gonna fix a bunch of these beams and re-pour this whole thing. It's just a big courtyard. So that's on to the next crew. And we're gonna move on to our next job. Alrighty, that wraps that one up. If you like this kind of stuff, like and subscribe, and go watch the next one.